Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna move this pothos or money plant from this water to the soil in a pot. And I started this pothos with a small cutting in the water. Truly speaking, I didn't change the water regularly in the starting, so it didn't show such a good growth. But once I started changing it in 2 or 3 days, it has shown a pretty good growth. As you can see here, this is this long, and as you can see, there's the roots have grown so big. So today I will move it to the soil, and I'm gonna use this moss stick with this pothos plant, and I will tell you why we should put this moss stick and why it's so important. So let's start. So here I have filled the pot, 2/3 of the pot with the soil, premium potting mix, and I will put the plant in there. And for the moss stick, I will just press it in the soil in the middle of the pot and then fill the rest of the pot with the soil. And I also try to spread the roots a little bit around the moss stick. So why should we use the moss stick? The reason is they improve the growth of plant, and the use of moss stick will actually increase the size of leaves because pothos or money plant have aerial roots that come out from the stem, and these roots help the plant to absorb moisture from the moss stick. This way they get extra moisture. So now the pot is full with soil, and here is the main root going down, and you can see a lot of aerial roots on the stem also, which are quite prominent on the nodes. So I'm gonna take one cutting from the top with one of these or few of these aerial roots, and this will also induce lateral growth in this plant, so it will get more bushier. Now I will wrap the stem around the moss stick. Here I'm using this wire covered with the plastic that I saved from one of the packaging. I will cut them into small pieces and bend it to make a U-shaped pin, like a bob pin, and try to insert it in the moss stick while holding the stem near to the stick. Or you can also use this jute string to tie the stem around the moss stick. So here I have secured the bottom with the wire inside the moss stick, and you can see the aerial root going inside the moss stick, from where it will get a lot of moisture and help in plant growth. So all these aerial roots on the stem, they will grow towards the moss and develop a very good root system to absorb extra moisture for the plant. Now I will take my cutting from here on the top with few aerial roots coming out from there and put it in the water for my next plant. Now I will secure this top cut part of the plant with the moss stick with the help of the wire that I bent in the U shape. And now the plant is ready to be watered thoroughly. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Happy gardening!